how to breathe in and breathe out. There is lots of controversials, there is lots of different opinions, so I am not judging anyone's opinion. That's only what I present. It's my way, and what through the years, through different students, through the different bodies, and through the different mindsets, I have learned works the best with my students and works the best with me as well, personally. So the first step is your breathing and actual inhale. We inhale through the mouth, no nose, and we inhale something like you got scared or you got amazed of something, and you do something like this. Try with me. 1, 2, 3. Keep the air inside and then exhale. Now I will explain why, and then we will make the exercise. First of all, if you are first and if you don't know anything, just put your fingers on our low larynx and try to inhale with the nose. What do you feel and what you see from my fingers? I don't feel nothing. Or in sometimes actually these muscles go up and close everything. So basically when you inhale through the nose, your soft palate goes down, these muscles goes inside and close all your cords, and you literally starting the sound from the closed situation. You can't then efficiently open your throat for your cords to vibrate on the way when you already have to sing. When we do inhale with the mouth, when we put our fingers here on the low larynx, and again we do it with mouth like we're scared, like 1, 2, 3. Our jaw goes down and a bit up front. This part, one more time, look at my fingers, expands and make the throat 2 times bigger, and also the cords are having the space where they vibrate. Again, now try nose and mouth and look at the abs. So nose and abs. We are making long inhale because with the nose also we can't inhale pretty much fast. And what's going on with muscles here? They expand, but more this soft part. When we do it with the mouth, what's going on? This opens, ribs are more opens and rib open, and also these muscles get stretched, and your lungs having a bigger space to hold a bit more air. So for me and for my students works the best the air to inhale through the mouth. But this is completely a feature which we don't use in the regular life, because when we walk, we take it air in with your nose. Maximum when we are running, not the sport running, but just, I don't know, running because we are getting late to the bus. We are so this is exactly what you need for singing. Yes, almost. Let's train now this new skill. This is a new skill. You really have to train it mechanically. Check the theoretical next video to really exercise.